Good morning all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time my videos are coming from United Kingdom. It's been almost 21 days. I am totally settled and we are 5 people who are going on a road trip to Scotland. Many of you have not seen my bedroom and I'll just take you on a tour. Yeah, it's totally dirty. Please don't comment on that. I got a study table, I got a chair. This is my room and there's a single bathroom here, and I have 5 flatmates who are, one is Canadian, one is Singapore, 2 are Indians, and that's Vishnu. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, this is Vishnu from Kerala, and we are going on a road trip. How's your feeling, Vishnu?
Yes, it's fine and very good.
Vishnu is 31 years, doing his third master's. This is our kitchen with a TV which we never use. It's still 7. So this will be my first vlog from UK, as I lost my GoPro in the flight while coming from India to UK. So vlogs adrag ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಇದರ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ನಾಗ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಅದಾವ. I can't upload half of the things what I have done here because I am totally not there in the footages. GoPro ಚೊಕ್ಕಿತ್ತ, ಕಿನ್ನೋನಕ್ಕಿ ಒಬ್ಬಕಿ ಬಿಳಿಸಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ GoProನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಏರ್ಟ್ಯಾಗು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. That's the worst level of my carelessness. Yeah, I know I'm very careless, but now I take care of everything. I have some changes in my life which I never had. So we have booked the car from Europe Cars. Why are you so late?
I'm born ready, man.
You were born ready.
Yeah.
I woke you up by giving how many missed calls? Just show your phone.
Maybe one.
One?
Yeah.
Yeah, wait.
No, it's on charge. Don't disturb me.
Fuck you, man.
Go away, go. Go away. Go away. No disturb.
Now get ready fast. Wait, where is that goddamn Akshay? This is Jayant's flat. Hey! Say hi.
Hi.
Is this how you say hi?
Yes.
Shit. You. This is how you say hi. I'm making vlogs. And we all are waiting for Jayant. Hey, Jayant! How many times I called you?
2 times.
2 times. Sure,
Look at this.
Yeah.
2.
It's 9 plus 2.
Oh, yeah, man. I think it was yesterday. Just change the booking name, man.
We'll just ask this booking change.
And Jayant left his driving license.
I left my dignity back.
No,
man.
you left your driving license in home and you came.
Of all the things you
What? What the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Yeah, man. Oh, my God.
Of all the things, why do you not just have it in your wallet?
Dude,
Yeah, man, I just remember, I mean, what? I just asked him to keep it yesterday night and he did not keep. We are in Manchester airport. He just booked Uber cars. These people are standing there just because of Jayant and Akshay Valet. We are so lazy bastards that we book Uber. He is such a lazy bastard. He booked the Uber for just 2 miles. We booked it for damn 7 pounds. This is Europe Car Manchester. So these are the places where we can collect our cars. Just because our own Jayant left the driving license in home, we had to pay 36 pounds extra.
That was an unnecessary statement.
Yeah, it was a necessary statement. I asked you to go get it.
People forget,
No.
man. People
I
forget.
asked you to get it yesterday. You said, oh,
Yeah, it
I have
was
it.
Akshay's
Yeah.
fault. It was Akshay's fault.
No, it's Akshay is being
Blamed for everything.
yeah, he's
in
been
the
blamed
morning,
for
yeah.
everything. You don't have a license? Shit. Finally, we are in the car. So the time is 10:50. We had to leave at 6 just because of this fellow. And yeah, obviously Akshay. They did not receive my calls. And they did not even respond to others banging their door. So this is the car which we got all because of these 2 fellows.
Yeah, it's a bigger
Yeah,
car.
it's a bigger car. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
It's actually a compliment. We made them get a bigger car.
Yeah, we just had 10 minutes of break in this and I got a coffee and ate a sandwich.
He looks like Tony Stark.
Yeah, man. This is William Park, which was built by James Williams in the year 1980. It is of 56 acres, which is pretty big one. Which has 2 palace also, and we have all the details here. This is Ashton Memorial, which is built by Ashton in the memory of his wife in the year 1907. It's 50 meters tall. It's built in the amount of 87,000 pounds, which is almost 37 lakhs of Indian rupees. This is where we stop. This is pretty costlier than what we thought. I just bought the square root lemonade, which is enough for me. It tastes good. What is that?
Trash.
How does it taste?
Trash.
Trash.
Don't recommend this one.
How does the taste?
It's okay.
In that?
It tastes like some
Yeah,
sugar
it tastes
mixed.
good.
Yeah, it tastes like
You wanna
sugar
try?
mixed.
Yeah, I'll try.
tea. No, man.
No, it's really good.
This is not it.
How's it?
That's not bad. This is 2.7.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Really?
man.
Yeah.
Reading
We got scammed. Yeah.
We got scammed.
Is it the same thing?
There's a Porsche which is racing with me.
He's not racing it.
These people take too much of breaks. This is the third break we are taking in a whole day. What's the time? It's 3:40.
It's time to get McDonald's. That's what it is.
Another shop which we took to eat in McDonald's. We just want to eat it in McDonald's, which costs cheaper here. There they are ordering. We started at 8. 7 hours of drive. We are in Glasgow finally. We are in Linn's Park Waterfall, which is one of the oldest and hidden place, as it says in Google, hidden place in Glasgow, Scotland. It's about 200 acres. It was built in 1450, one of the oldest. It has got a waterfalls, it has got a big mansion, it has got some memorial and a bridge. We are in search of waterfalls. It's there, somewhere there. That's the waterfalls. This is Linn Park Bridge, which was built in 19th century. Just look at Akshay. He's wearing his hoodie cap.
Shut the fuck up, man. Stop making fun of me. You've been making fun of me the whole day. Oh, it's your fault.
Yeah, we were late because of you too. See, we could have visited so many places. I walked all the way from there to here just to see this. It's 12 degrees right now and I'm not feeling that cold. I probably think I'm already adjusted to this weather. We are in the room. Yeah, this is our room for tonight. Wow. They have pretty big bathroom and we got 2 separate beds. And also I think we have a lovely view. And we are back in room. All chilling. Yeah, he's playing some dumb game. Yeah, lost it. Just lost it.
You're not a pro, man. You're not a pro.
Yeah. Let's see. Gone.
Shit. Oh, that's close.
Look at someone dumb.
Tomorrow's plan is... What's tomorrow's plan? There's no plan tomorrow.
Waking up at around.
We are going back to Manchester. That's the plan. Yeah, we'll meet tomorrow.